Hey, I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to tape and finish new construction. We're going to do that right after this. Hey, welcome to That Kilted Guide 3-Minute Drywall School, where we teach you drywall skills in about 3 minutes. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. All right, welcome to my channel here at That 3-Minute Drywall School. We're going to try and walk you through in 3 minutes, or roughly about, everything that it takes to tape and finish new construction. Now, this isn't every single thing. This is the most common thing. So I'm just going to walk you through it. We're going to start out with, you need some empty buckets. It's a good idea. Like this one right here is my water bucket. You need a way to clean your tools, so we got a nice soft scrub brush in here. Then we of course need materials. So when you're taping, you need some regular weight, all-purpose like this, or you can get by with this USG +3. It actually is rated for taping. Then you need +3 for topping, and it's lighter and it sands easier. Then you need a way to mix it. Now, if you're gonna do a whole house or a lot of work, you need the big mixing drill. And if you're gonna have that, you need the big drill. This is the big paddle, I should say, and this is the big drill. To turn this big paddle, it takes this bigger drill. Now, if you're on a budget and you're just doing a little bit and you can afford to not be really fast, you can get by with this drill, a cordless drill, and this small mixing paddle. Now, if you really want to be on a budget, you can actually mix your mud with this egg beater chucked up in your drill and run it in your pan. I use this to mix up hot mud primarily. Then, of course, you need a full set of pans and knives. So here we got all kinds of them. Now, the bare minimum you really need is something like a 4-inch or a 6-inch knife. Pan, you need like a 8 or a 10-inch and a 12-inch. Now that's kind of like the bare minimum. There's a lot of other tools you could have, like this bucket scoop, a 14-inch, an 8-inch, and so on. But that depends on your skill and what you're doing. And then, of course, you need a way to tape all your drywall. Now, the best material, and this is recommended by the drywall companies, is paper tape. You can use fiberfuse, although it's best on flats. You still need paper tape for the inside angles. So easiest is to stick with paper tape. Now, this is the pro way. This is called a bazooka. If you're not doing very much, this might be outside of your range, but it's way faster, does a great job. The easiest way, the cheapest way, is pan and a knife. Or you could do it with a banjo. And there's even simple devices like this tape buddy. Now, I'm going to cover all of these independently, how to use them to do these jobs in a separate video. Okay, but walking across the rest of the tools, if you're using the pro level tools, this tool right here we use to roll the inside angles after we put the tape up. Then we switch to this tool, which is what we use to glaze it, and that smooths the mud out, makes it look really nice. This tool right here is a nail spotter. Now, you can spot your screws and nails by hand, but this can speed things up. And then down here we have the mud pump. That pump puts the mud in all of these tools. Then to coat your joints, we have this automatic mud box. These are amazing. If you haven't ever run one, this will put mud on just as fast as you can walk, and it puts it on really good. Now, there's different sizes. There's a 10, you can get a 7, 10, 12. This is a 12. Then when we go to coat the inside angles, we have this one with a bigger head on it, and it applies the mud into the inside angle. And then finally, you need some sanding tools. Well, here we got a round one, we've got a rectangular one, a triangle one, a square one, and there's also power sanding tools. Now, do you need all of these? Well, it really depends on what you're doing and your skill level, but there's a brief rundown of everything it takes to tape and finish new construction. Now, if you want to learn each step of this process, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care, everybody.